Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Roblox Unapproved third-party applications error or the extensions detected error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do here is managing the anti-cheat software. So Roblox errors may stem from the anti-cheat programs running in the background, especially if you play online games like Counter-Strike 2, Fortnite, or Valorant. So these are the steps that you need to do to end the anti-cheat processes. So first, just open your task manager. So just simply search for task manager in your start menu and simply open it. And next, you need to find and end the anti-cheat program. So just look for any anti-cheat software such as the Riot Vanguard for Valorant. So just end any running anti-cheat processes. And then what you need to do next is prevent automatic startup. So in the task manager, switch to the startup apps, and then you need to locate the anti-cheat software and disable its auto start feature. So by carefully managing these background processes, you can potentially resolve Roblox errors related to third-party application detection. And that's it for the first fix. And then what you can do next is troubleshooting, or these are the troubleshooting steps that you can do. And the first thing that you can do here is to restart your PC. So if ending the anti-cheat software doesn't fix the Roblox unapproved third-party application or the extension detected error, just try restarting your PC again. So this can resolve your or the temporary glitches affecting Roblox. And these are the steps that you need to do. So to reinstall, or if you want to reinstall your Roblox, you need to go to the Windows and then go to the apps. And then after that, in the installed apps, just find and simply uninstall Roblox. And then what you can do next is to clear Roblox cache. So if you want to do this, just search for percent app data percent. Just navigate to the app data and then go to the local and delete the Roblox right here, as you can see in the photo folder, to clear the old files. And lastly, what you can do here is to install Roblox. So just download the latest version from the Microsoft Store for the updated and stable gameplay. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you are having the unapproved third-party applications or the extensions detected error on your Roblox. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.